Hi everybody, this is Sofía from La Casita de Inglés Chamberí, and today I'm going to talk to you about 4 different ways we can use the phrasal verb take off. Ready? Check it out. So, number 1. We usually use take off when we refer to removing a piece of clothing from our body. It's the most common one we use. So clearly, I'm wearing the wrong coat for this type of weather. I need to take it off. Much better. Number 2. When we're on an airplane, we use take off to refer to the moment in which the airplane will lift up from the ground and begin flying. You can usually hear the pilot say, "Prepare for takeoff." Number 3. We can also use take off when we need to take time off from work. This means that maybe we're sick or we're going on a vacation and we cannot go to work. So we would have to call our boss.
Hello?
Hello, Casita Inglés. I don't feel too well. I think I need to take a day off to get better. And last but not least, we use take off when we're trying to leave really quick or suddenly. So I need to take off. Speaking of which, I need to take off because I'm late. So have a beautiful day. Bye!